So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons are not disconnecting. Now what does this mean? Well, this means that no matter what you're doing, you're trying to disconnect your Joy-Cons, but they are not disconnecting from your Nintendo Switch. Now let's go and take a closer look at this. Number one, you have to remember that in order to remove your Joy-Cons from your Nintendo Switch 2, you have to go through and click on these side buttons right here. So these buttons, these side buttons right here, may not end up disconnecting for you. It may not work. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you're clicking into this button and they will basically disconnect like that. You have to first click the button in and then it'll push out that little piece right there and it will disconnect your Joy-Con. It doesn't necessarily disconnect without it, right? So if you're trying to pull it out, I wouldn't recommend doing that. You would risk damaging your Nintendo Switch 2. Instead, what you want to do is click into these buttons, this one and this button. Click into it, right? So click into the button, let it push out, and then pull it out. That's going to be the easiest thing you can do here, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. So try disconnecting it that way, and that is a very, very easy thing to do when it comes down. So if it still doesn't disconnect, you might want to go through and just make sure you're clicking in this button, and if it's still not working, try contacting Nintendo and have them kind of troubleshoot it with you. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.